Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy videos. First, gather all your ingredients like sugar, water, and food coloring, along with your jars and string. Next, set up your camera on a tripod to ensure steady footage. Make sure your lighting is bright and even, and your workspace is clean and free of clutter for a professional look. Now, let's film the process. Start by recording yourself mixing the sugar solution, showing precise measurements. Use close-up shots when you add food coloring or suspend the string in the jar. Don't forget to set up a time-lapse to capture the amazing crystal growth over several days. This visual element is key to a captivating video. Once you have all your footage, it's time to edit. Arrange your clips in a logical order, ensuring smooth transitions between each step. Add some upbeat, royalty-free background music to enhance the viewing experience. A clear voiceover explaining each action is crucial, and consider adding text overlays for important measurements or safety tips. For the final touches, create a short, catchy intro and outro for your video. Make sure your video title is descriptive and includes relevant keywords like rock candy recipe or DIY crystals. Write a detailed description with a list of ingredients and steps. Finally, share your amazing rock candy video on your preferred platforms for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.